Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your Facebook password if forgotten or lost access. First of all, open your Facebook app, and then once you open your Facebook app, tap forget password. After that, enter your mobile number or your email which is linked with that account. Next, once you send in the email, you're going to wait, and then you'll either get logged into your Facebook immediately and it will tell you if you want to save your login information. If you want, you can save it. If you don't want to, you cannot. It's totally optional. Next, you're going to go ahead, and if it does not let you in through, go to your email, follow the link or code sent to, or reset your password. Next, update your password manager for safety, and that's it. Safety tip: use a strong and unique password. Quick fix: try logging in from a recognized device for auto recovery, and that's it. Subscribe for more.